how to trade with liquidity sweeps. First of all, we're gonna find our sweep. So right now we have a sweeper at this area. So we have a different kind of confirmations with trading with liquidity sweeps. It could be uh, the fair value gaps and order blocks or another liquidity sweep at the same area. For example, what do we see here? We swept our liquidity here, and now we expect the price to go up, so it creates a retest and another retest right here. So at the second retest we have another liquidity sweep. So this is our double confirmation. So how do we take this trade? We're gonna put our gonna put our stop loss at the last swing low. It could be here or it could be here, doesn't matter. So our take profit will be on the last high area, which is here. So like this.